It's your girl Polish CEO. I am back with another video. So what's up with it too? So today's video is going to be a pack with me. So girl, as you can see, I am starting with making up my bed because baby, I don't know about you, but when I leave and I come back to the house, whether I'm going out, whether I'm going out of town, it doesn't really matter. But I like to come back to a fresh, clean home. So I'm going to start by making up my bed and doing some much needed cleaning around the house just to make sure everything is nice and fresh and ready for me to come back to live comfortably, okay? So since my flowers are already kind of dead or dying, I'm just going to go ahead and throw them away because if you buy flowers often, then you already know they can get spider webs, they can get gnats and bugs and draw just a lot of gnats and things that you don't want in your house. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw them out since they're already dying, because once I come back, I'll be able to buy fresh new flowers, and I'm going to wash my flower vase out just to make sure that I have all of that old water and old flower food out of there. Next, I'm going to move on to putting up my clean dishes. If you're not new here, then you already know your girl runs that dishwasher every single night, okay? So I'm just putting up the dishes that ran through last night, and I'm gonna go ahead and just replace them with the dishes that are in the sink so that I will leave no dishes in the sink, okay? Dirty dishes brings water, brings roaches, brings smells, and baby, we want our house to be fresh and smelling good, honey, as soon as we walk in the door. And of course, we don't want roaches, rats, bugs, gnats, none of that, baby. So we're gonna remove those dishes out of the dishwasher and put them in the dishwasher and start the dishwasher and let it run. Next, I'm going to clean out my refrigerator. Like I said, good smells. That's all we want going on up in here is good smells. So I'm throwing away all of the foods that I know will be spoiled by the time I come back, or leftover food that I had cooked from the previous day. And I'm going to be gone for a while. So I decided to throw away like fruits and veggies that I will have in the refrigerator that, like I said, will normally spoil or go bad. And also milk, because almond milk and things like that, milk replacements, they will actually go bad. Even if you do leave them in the refrigerator, over time they still will spoil. So I'm just cleaning out my refrigerator and freezer of any fruits, vegetables, or food that I know that will not withstand the amount of time that I'm going to be gone. Next, I'm going to go ahead and sweep the floors, and I'm just really sweeping high traffic areas such as the kitchen because I cook every day, and also like the living room and hallways and stuff like that. I didn't sweep the entire house, but that's because it really wasn't needed because I do try to clean every week. So like I said, just the high traffic areas, making sure that I'm removing any type of dirt or debris. And I'm not going to mop today because it wasn't needed. I do mop once a week, but I'm just going to sweep just to make sure I get everything up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pack my bags. So I will be taking these 2 bags and then an extra bag. So I'm going to use the top smaller bag as like my toiletry bag for my makeup and things like that. And then I'm going to use the bigger bag for all of my clothing. As I already have told y'all, like I'm going to be gone for a while. So I am packing night clothes. I am packing my robes. I am packing also my shoes, my house shoes, because baby, anywhere I go, I gotta have me some shoes. I just don't like walking around like on bare floors or bare carpets. Even if it's my house, like sometimes I will walk around barefooted in my house, but majority of the time, no matter what I'm doing, I'm gonna have on some house shoes, some socks, or some shoes. So I'm packing my house shoes and then shoes that I'm gonna wear with different outfits and stuff like that. And of course, for extra additional comfort, my robes, because baby, if you know, you know. Your girl don't like clothes for real, baby. If we didn't have to have them, your girl wouldn't wear anything, okay? But I'm packing everything that I need to be comfortable, everything that I'm going to wear, and anything else that I may need as it pertains to clothing. I'm packing is going to be these travel sheets, and baby, they are disposable. It's a 4-piece set, as you can see here. It comes with 2 pillow covers, a sheet cover, and like a comforter cover. This I actually got from Amazon, and it will be linked down in the description. I will let y'all know how I feel about it probably on the next video once I do utilize it. I'm also gonna pack all of my cords, my chargers, my computer chargers, my wires, my charging blocks, every electronic thing that I need. I'm gonna place that in the zipper area so that it can be protected and not get wet. Even though I don't have liquids in my bag, I just want them to be kind of protected. And that's gonna be it for this bag. In my smaller bag, I do have storage, my dirty laundry bag, and then also my little jewelry carrier case, whatever. So like I said, I'm going to put my makeup bag in here and all of my toiletries, such as my toothbrush, my toothpaste, deodorant, anything that I need for my skin. I'm going to put all of this in this small little case. Love this freaking travel jewelry case, y'all. My best friend Brittany bought this for me for my birthday earlier this year. If you're not new here, you already know. But yeah, she got me this and I really was grateful for it. Like, I'm still grateful for it because I use it every time I travel. I like to wear a lot of jewelry. I wear 2 ankle bracelets majority of the time. I wear bracelets on both arms, a ring, necklace, jewelry. Like, I just like jewelry. And I have to have at least, 3 to 4 pair of earrings that I'm going to be traveling with no matter where I go, because of course we like to switch up the looks, baby. So with having all of this jewelry, you have to have somewhere to storage it for it to be safe, so that it won't get wet, tangled, or tarnished, baby. And so I was so grateful for this box because it comes in so handy. I believe she got it from Amazon. If she did, I'll try to find the link of where she got it and link it down in the description. If it's not linked, I couldn't get it from her, but I'm sure you can always find a travel jewelry case like on Amazon or anywhere else. But if you're not new here, then you already know your girl was traveling like with my jewelry in just like a plastic bag, and I found that like my thin little cute necklaces always get tangled, so I stopped doing that, baby. And I just was grateful that she got me this, so I started packing all my jewelry in it. In this last bag, I'm gonna put all of my other miscellaneous things like my computer, things to read, my entertainment. Okay, if you're not aware, then the newest book that I'm reading is Becoming Supernatural. I have been working on this book for some time, y'all. I'm actually halfway done through the book, but anyway, I'm gonna put the majority of my little entertainment things in here, my computer, like I said, and other little miscellaneous items in here. Now, baby, it's time to head on out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my bags, go ahead and get them packed in the car So I can head on out, baby. And you know, you always want to pack them in a comfortable way so that they won't be flying all over the place. I decided not to put mine in my trunk. I just wanted to put them inside my car because I'm not going far. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took some travel tips along with you. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. I will see y'all on the next video.